fucking cold. Heat me up. Oh, it died. Heat me up. Oh, heat me up. Ah. Warmth. Lingers. Okay, it is fucking cold, and today we're going to start on electronics. Now, yesterday I took some time off camera, just hanging out with some friends, but more importantly, right, I need to do a sound check. Let me make sure I can actually be heard here. I forgot to do sound check. Isn't that fun? So the problem with it being a tad louder is that it's not a good microphone. I'm not sure I can actually shove my volume any higher. Let me see if oh, wait. No, I can change the balance. Oh, here we go. Okay. Yeah, I figured it out. How's that? How is my volume level? Is it too loud? But is that a thing I can do? Filters. Add filter. Oh! Look at that! I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do that. It just completely crashed my computer there. Oh, I need to find my charger for my Windows laptop because it is way more powerful and way more stable than this thing. Oh Lord. Yeah, that crashed pretty hard. That crashed pretty hard. Yeah, I'm using Ubuntu because I just decided to use Ubuntu on this laptop. I didn't really feel like loading Windows onto it. This operating system hates me. Oh, it hates me so much. It's only on this laptop too. Like anywhere else it works just fine. Connect. No, not wanting to connect. Fine. All right. Prepare the server. Let's see here. What Wi-Fi settings? Click the gear. 114. That's what I typed in. And it's not connected to camera. Connect the server. Error connected. Connect the server. Come on. Piece of shit. It's not connecting. What the fuck? Okay, so it doesn't want to connect to my remote camera here for whatever reason. I don't understand. Connection. Maybe if I tried a different port, let's go with that port. Well, that's not working. So we won't be doing that. Do I dare try another filter? Fuck it. Let's try another noise suppression. And we're just leaving it. We're not touching it. We're just going to leave it. Okay. All right. Progress. Okay. This still isn't working, which kind of sucks that it's not working. Come on. Oh, well, that's now. Yeah, but come on. I'm going to restart this. It's probably what's happening. It's probably because it got disconnected incorrectly. It's probably like, oh, you're already connected. I can't connect to something I'm already connected to. And then I'm just going to take this tablet and... Anyway. If I can find the charger for my Acer, then I'll use that. I have a fancy Acer that like does fancy yoga stuff. Like its screen can pop out and like tilt forward, and like it can go over your fingers, and it's kind of fancy and has a pen, and it's like, hey, by the way, I have a GTX 1650 in me. I'm like, ooh, that's kind of nice. So I just need to find its charger. It's probably in my car. So I probably should check that. But my car's outside in the cold. You pick. This thing's taking forever. I need you for instructions. I'll do the stream today with my budget. I mean, here's the other problem. Like, even if I get the other laptop, my microphone still can be crap. Because I'm using a webcam microphone, because I don't actually have a dedicated microphone. Actually, wait. It may not be, because I might be actually able to use the port and actually use this other microphone I have. If I stream tomorrow or Monday, I don't plan on streaming Sunday, then I'll do that. But if I don't, well, yeah. Let me get music going. Did this boot up? Yes, it did. Okay, we got music. There we go. Should be just loud enough for you to hear it and hear me at the same time. I am so hungry. What was I doing? Oh, right. That. I was doing that. Alright, server's running. So go here, connect, boom. Okay, no face cam for that. Whatever. Fine, I don't need it. Okay. Yeah. Why is that not? Is that not plugged in? Oh, plug it. How dare? What? Someone plugged in my shit. Who the fuck? Someone unplugged everything. I'm grumpy. Okay. Everything's plugged in now. This will become the new face cam, I guess. You know what? Yeah, that's what you'll be. What I'll do is I will not make that the new face cam. I will make that the... Okay, I got this. Hold on. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. You know, you'd think by this time I would have everything actually sorted out and like planned. But no, you know, that's kind of the nice part about all this. It's just chaos. And it's unmitigated in its disaster. Okay, so now, this, which is actually pretty decent frame rate and is not, you know, taking a shit like that camera is, this will be my webcam, even though I just realized this camera is not the microphone camera. The other one is. So since I'm making you my face cam, I'm also going to make you my microphone camera. Please, for the love of God, don't crash my computer.
We did it. We did it. It didn't crash. We're good. We're Gucci. Okay. Now this camera is going to be kind of my general work camera. So this is also higher quality at 4K. So I'm going to take this off. There we go. Don't mind me just completely changing everything I had planned and prepped and set up. Just entirely. This will probably be a... Oh wait, this microphone's way better? Really? My fucking Logitech knockoff is better? You know, I won't question it, I'll just accept it. Alright, so this will be the camera I kind of drag around and let you see stuff with. I don't like that being next to my soldering iron, but you know what? we shouldn't have to do too much soldering today. So that's fine. Oh, I'm so cold. Now I just have to move my laptop a tiny little bit here, so I can actually see the chat. I have the Brio, and I'm actually, I don't hate it. I actually like its quality. It's expensive. It's expensive as fuck, but I like it. Wish it was cheaper. Going to stretch up this laptop and prop it against box, and hopefully it doesn't fall. Okay. Hey, hello, William. I hope I said that right. Will M? Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't really know how to pronounce that name. I've never seen it spelled like that. If it is how I think it's pronounced, I've just never seen it pronounced like that. It's an interesting name. Mister? Oh, Mars! What's up, Mars? How's it going, man? Okay. So, now that we got that all sorted out, welcome back, if you guys have been watching. So, off camera, I did work on just a couple of things that I had to work on. So, that thing being, give me a second to actually grab it here. Come on, come on. Okay, there we go. So, just like with any printer, we have controller boards and daughter boards, wonderfully. So, the Voron 2.4 wonderfully has a daughter board designed for its hot end. Now, this is one of the ones that you can use. And, yeah, there we go. That's centered. This is one of them that you can use. This is not the one that we're using, because, oh boy, this is a lot. This is for a full tool head, and we're not doing a full tool head. But if I wanted to do like a tool head that I could swap parts out of, that would be that. So instead, we have this board. Now, what I had to do, because I'm using a Revo, I had to create a adapter wire. So I created this to adapt the normal terminal to a Revo connector. And I also had to create one for the thermistor. I essentially just took a long Revo cable, cut off the two ends, and put them together. This is not a pretty job, admittedly. Like, this looks like crap, because I could not find my lighter. And, you know, hey, now that I have this lighter, real quick, I'm just gonna go over that a little bit to make sure that is absolutely good. But yeah, yesterday I just could not find my lighter, so I was stuck using my soldering iron to actually do this job, and that sucked. That was not fun. But there we go. That is now done. We don't have to worry about this now. Man, I feel like I'm low on fluid. I really need to get a better one, because obviously this is like a dollar store Bic. Only problem is I don't really know my lighters, because I don't smoke. I don't know. Focus up. You're right. You're right. Anyway, so yeah, I had to create those wires so I could create this daughter board setup here. And so we're going to be now mounting that to the hot end assembly. And then once we're done with that, once it's all nice and good, Mars' message got held for review. Oh, the camera, not me. Look, I get very distracted. I got ADD. Yeah, doing this with the soldering iron was a pain in the ass. Sorry, I'm not. My computer is like over there, so I can't tell YouTube that you are a chill bro that can absolutely talk. Why? I'm going on my app here so I can share the fact that I'm streaming, but for whatever reason, oh, there it is. Okay, now I can share this with my moderators, so if they're available, they can help me out here. So let me send that off real quick. Where? Oh, there it is. And drop that in a friendly server. Yeah, I'll just drop it here. There we go. All right. Now that the formalities are out of the way, let us actually get to work on this. So what I'm going to do here, so you guys can actually watch me live, is I hate how this 1, 2. No, 1, 2. Okay, that's locked. Don't touch either handle. Put this over here, so I don't need it anymore. Yeah. Sorry, I'm starving, so I grabbed a soda. Come on, Pepsi, sponsor me. You know you want to, you fucks. I have absolutely no chill. Right, gotta clean up my workspace here just a little bit before I continue. Get rid of empty bags I don't need anymore. Okay. Right. May still need those. I'll put them to the side. I know the feeling, Mars. You and Watt are both on the other side of the fucking world, so I completely understand. Like I wish my job was not as late as it was. Like it goes for you guys. For us in America, it's a normal hours. But yeah, I wish I was able to hang out with you guys more, because you know we've had fun in our antics. But tis what happens when the world is as big as it is. Okay, now I have a workspace. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this printer, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and hopefully not make a complete fucking mess. So let's go ahead and do that. Take this off. Alright, am I gonna knock shit over? I'm probably gonna knock shit over. I don't know how I'm gonna get this into my basement. When I first started assembling this whole thing, and like the frame was done, I'm like, yeah, it's gonna be a little heavy to bring downstairs, but you know what? I can work with this. Why am I not building it downstairs where it will be going? Well, because I have no space to work on this kind of build down in my basement. So I'm working on it here. But oh boy, is this gonna be a pain in the ass to bring downstairs. Put this real quick. There we go. So that's gonna not be fun at all. Let's Pop a cold one. It's just Pepsi. That's good shit. That's good shit right there. And I'm gonna move this camera over, and we will start. Don't unplug. Don't unplug. You have to go behind my face cam. No, don't knock over the face cam. Okay. Can this thing not go any higher? Is this just the limit? Well, shit. Okay. I'm looking up here, but I can't really get any higher. We're working up there. Well, shit. I picked this stand because it has a really nice and easy to detach mount, but I guess I'm just gonna have to detach this again, and fucking professionalism, folks. Absolute professionalism. Alright, you go off to the side. You get over here. You can be taller. There we go. And now this. There we go. Look at that. Now you can actually see what I'm doing. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, Jesus Christ, I almost died. Gorgeous, but I almost killed myself. Okay, so you're actually going to want to be here so you can see what I'm doing. Otherwise, you won't be able to see what I'm doing at all. Okay. There we go. Now, I think what I'm going to try, just to make this a little bit easier for me, is to lower every... No, I won't. It's going to be a pain in the ass no matter how I cut it. Okay, so what are we doing? So this, as I showed you just recently, this piece here, it's going to be going right here. But before we do that, it needs to have this little black piece attached to it. Right here. This is super small. I'm not, is autofocus even set on this camera? Yeah, it looks like it. So that goes there. One screw goes into the top right there to hold that in place. And then this comes in and it kind of clips over it, but then a screw has to go through this hole here. So it's a process. It is not exactly fun, but that's what we have to do. So get to it. So it also called for plastic washers. I could not find plastic washers, so I kind of made my own out of packing foam. Let me go look to see if I can find those washers. It might be in the electronics. Let's see. Nope. Not in the electronics kit, as I had hoped it would be. I got M3 washers, but they're metal, and I need plastic. So I'll just roll with my jank setup, and I will not care. Okay. Does this have any preferred way to go? I guess not. It's just gonna be right up against those pins, no matter how we cut it. Okay. So let's go ahead and get that threaded. Okay. Let's get that in there. Why is that? That's not tight at all. Oh, I mean, that would do it. Now I have to take this piece, pop that on top. You know, I can't take that off. Okay. Fuck this. This is not fun. I screwed that in. Why is it still loose? Now I see that it came undone. Absolutely wonderful. Okay. Stay. Damn it. Come on. There we go. How am I going to release this without having this piece fall out? What the fuck? I mean, I guess I can stick that through there. And that'll work. For now. Oh. No. It's okay. I don't need it right now. Okay. That's nice and taut. I feel pretty good about that. Looks like that piece is still in there. What did I drop? I dropped something. Or did I not? Oh shit, I dropped that. Yeah, definitely need that. That is an important piece. Okay, now that that's in, let's go ahead and flip these in because I'm about to cover them up. Oh, excuse me. Gross. Okay, that's plugged in. Let me take that, plug that in. Okay. Now, HF. That's what text. Let's see here. HEF. And what cable is that? That's HEF. Okay, so those two go together. Hey, Voron, can you turn off the flash? Thank you. Come on, come on. You can do it! There we go. And this fan goes into here. Is that? Oh. That doesn't want to stay there. I'm gonna need hot glue. Fuck, I didn't want to use hot glue on this, but okay. Alright, let's get these plugged in. Okay. And this. There we go. Now let's try getting this cover it on. That's not happening. Yeah, no way in hell. No way in hell is that happening. That's not going to cover that up. Okay. We will move on without it. Okay. I need to get hot glue for that, but I can do that later. Unless, do we have silicone in here? really want to use silicon. It's not really a good idea. But what works works. Huh. Never mind. Okay, we will not be securing that very tightly today. Battery low, what the fuck? Are you not on? No, you weren't. You're completely unplugged. I almost killed my battery on my laptop. How dare I? Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's just gonna have to be how it is. I'll get this screw in there and secure it down. Help keep everything in place. There we go. Okay. Now, we come back over here. It's time to watch the video. We are now on part 5 of the assembly guide from wonderful Maple Leaf Makers. Once again, Maple Leaf Makers, thank you so much. Oh boy, right at the bat, it says we are not professional. None of us are, it's okay. Okay, so what we're about to do is we're about to work on all of the electronics, and that's going to be on the underside of this printer. So I'm about to flip this whole thing over. My workspace is about to get very small. Rather than working vertically, I'm about to work on a flat surface. You know, if I had known that LDO would give me such an overabundance of parts, I wouldn't have been as worried about those belts. Okay. Is that everything? Nope. Alright. That looks like everything. Oh, of course, I forgot my absolute most important tool, my screwdriver. Totally forgot to move it. Squeeze. Don't break anything, I swear to God. There we go. And oh, really lower. Oh, I thought that'd be a little bit smoother. Come on. Come on. You took your damn time. Okay. Working here now. So I will move this wonderful camera to be exactly in my way. Alright, yeah, so we are. This is not good. That doesn't feel quite tight. I need to tighten that. That's not big enough. There we go. Okay. That ain't moving. Okay. So. Time to go get the Raspberry Pi. I really need to clean up this workspace because I have very little space for anything. Hello. Sorry. I'm going to butcher this name, but Elvatitis. I probably butchered it. Hello. It's going. We are just about to start on the electronics. That's why you see this wonderful area right now. So, yeah, why is it? Oh, it's because it's being pulled. There we go. So that is what we're about to work on. And it's gonna be fun. I may have to step away for a second because I think our food just got here and I am very hungry. But, besides the point. Today's gonna be a work and eat situation because I'm hungry and I need to get this printer done before it gets too cold for me to really be comfortable out here. So I'm on a time crunch. So right now we are working on the Raspberry Pi. So we need, let's see, M2 by 10. What I find funny about this is that I got this. I actually got a Raspberry Pi at MSRP. It was a goddamn miracle that I was able to even acquire one. And I got it because I was under the impression that this kit wasn't going to come with one. But no, it did. It came with one. It came with a Raspberry Pi 4, 1GB. I'm happy. I personally would have preferred it to be higher capacity, but I am not going to be picky in a time when you can't fucking get any Raspberry Pis. So you know what? I'm happy. I got a Raspberry Pi for this kit. Technically, it's a free Raspberry Pi because this is a free kit. So, you know what? I'm happy about it. I'm not going to complain. And yeah, for those who are questioning what I said, LDO wonderfully sent me this kit for free as part of the Positron 3D project, and I am very appreciative of this. So, once again, LDO, if you're watching this, thank you, and I appreciate it. Okay. There is some sort of bracket that they are showing here that I apparently need for this Raspberry Pi. So I'm gonna have to go find that bracket. Also, wait, is there another one? Oh, hold on a second. I might be able to put this cap on my thingamajig. I think there's another one. Yeah, look at that. That's gonna make everything look nicer. I'll put it on later. Okay, I need... Huh. Is this it? Looks like it. I'm guessing that's it. And I need the M... Where is... M2 510 salt. Okay. And this is what we need. So this is also the alternative cover that I only just found out that I had. I'm going to be using this later to actually cover up the electronics on the hot end. So I'm going to put that to the side, toss that over there. It's food here. I'm fucking hungry. Okay, so this, yes. Looks like there's something else on there though. There's something else that goes on here. Oh. Let's watch the video a little bit. Okay, yes, so there is something else that goes on with this. Let me find those two pieces. Okay, there's one. Oh, I found them all. Wonderful. I'm going to step away just for a second here, because I believe food is here, and as I said, I am very hungry. So I will be right back. Bear with me. I was wonderfully correct. I have sustenance to maintain my torture in life. Yeah. Wasn't there, like, a rule that people made on eating on camera? Like, you really shouldn't do it because it just makes everyone else hungry. I'm gonna break that rule so hard. Alright, let's clear more of my workspace here. I doubt I need all of these, so I'm just gonna set them behind my tablet here. There we go. Alright. Now I have space to eat and work. Isn't that great? God, I'm hungry. Alright, give me a second here. Okay. Now, I did not know how long it was going to take for this food to get here, so I am going to just eat a little bit of this. Maybe this is a food review channel and you just stumbled upon 3D printing related stuff. You don't know. The world is my oyster. I choose to consume it. Oh man. Yeah. This is not mukbang. Hell no. That's a very unhealthy thing to do. Not that this is any healthier, but no, chocolate no. There's a local salmon shop called Marino's around the corner. Phenomenal food in general. They make hoagies and they make a bunch of other Italian food. It's really good. It's a really great place. So this is just a chicken parm. Cut lane. I am consuming sustenance before I continue this setup. Because I am fucking starving. And I thought this food would be earlier, would have arrived earlier, but it took longer than anticipated. I didn't want to really delay the stream, so you know, fuck it. Let's see here. It looks like for the Raspberry Pi, we're going to be using these. These are pretty beefy. I'm not sure. Sustenance is for the weak. You know, I would like to imagine that, but, you know, my body hurts when I don't eat, so that's kind of a thing that I needed. Let me get the other pieces I've eaten over here. Okay, this is just weird. Okay, I'm not certain exactly which part I need. It looks like... But is it calling for these? It looks like it might be calling for these instead. RS-25s? That's not a rocket engine. But it looks like it's calling for 2 of these, and I don't have 2 of these. I have 1. Is there another one I'm missing? What? No, I have all of it. There aren't any others over here. So that's it. I have the piece, but I only have 1 of it. Huh. Not that big of a deal. Watch, the other piece is like under my sandwich. I wouldn't be surprised. Alright, almost done here. I sadly can't because it's ABS. So I can't credit yet. But once I'm done, I can. My mind just went, man, there should be speed running for eating. And I just reminded myself, oh wait, there is. I'm a fucking idiot sometimes. Okay. Now, I'm going to do the smart thing and put this down to the space heater so it stays warm. No, I'm not doing that. I'm going to put it in the fridge. Cheers! There we go. Back to work. Thank you for bearing with me during my refueling session here. Woo! Okay. So let's see what part this guy is using. So I presume these are actually going to be like clipping into here. Wait, how the fuck? No? What? What? So, yeah, no. It clips like that. It clips like that, yeah. So, yeah, just like that. Oh, maybe I should have waited before actually doing that. There we go. Oh, no, there's little... Oh, look at that. It's a little push clip. That's actually pretty smart. Props. The Voron guys are really fucking smart. They are absolute gods. I commend their designs. Okay. That's inside. I'm still gonna be eating because I'm still hungry. Yeah. Though, red team, they actually just did an interview with the red team that had to go under and fix it. Highly recommend you look it up. It is interesting. Because goddamn, yeah, those three guys are underneath a fully fueled rocket, and they had to fucking fix the thing. No pressure. Alright. So this guy, his clamping piece is also completely different than mine. So mine looks like this. There we go. There we go. Mine looks like this. His looks like that. So it's different. I don't know why. I don't know why it's different. It's just a little bit different, excuse me. Woo! Diet soda always gets you really burpy. But I know this is the right part because if I line this up with the screw holes, it fits perfectly. So I know this is the right part. Wait. No, but those are... Okay, those don't line up. Interesting. But they only... Oh, hold up. Hold up. So that's not for that. That's not for that. This... So I got 3 of these. This looks like it's going to be 4. Because of this... It actually lines up. So they likely changed the design so that you only need 1 of these clips rather than 2. Which makes sense. The Raspberry Pi is a very light object. You don't need 2. Anyway. So I see exactly what they're doing. So they're taking these 2 things out. I'm gonna need my tiny screws. Oh, I need two more. Oh man, my hands are like a little bit greasy from the fries, so I can't actually open this bag anymore. It's too tiny. There we go. Tiny bag of many tiny screws. It's a recipe for disaster. The other day I had a whole box of connectors, to make custom connectors for motherboards and stuff, and they're the pin connectors, so they're not like they're like the ones you find in phones. They're really small and just like that square of a connector. So I had a whole box of them, and that's like over 1,000 pieces in a box. Knocked it over my table, and I just kind of stared at it like, God damn it. And it's been one of those things where I stare at it, and I'm just like, I'll get to it. I will. I'll get to it. I will. It's just the headache. It's also in part of my workshop that's really difficult for me to get to, so it's kind of a pain in the ass. I have to move shit around in order to get to it, so. Oh, speaking of this, what just flung? Oh well. Alright, I need super small. I think this is the right size. I think. Too small. One size too small. Let's see. Just right. Okay. Whew. It is cold. Alright, let me move the camera, because I'm gonna be probably here for a little bit. Let me move this camera closer, so I can actually give you guys a look at my table here. Okay, here we go. And you can also see me grabbing for snacks, because I'm a fat ass. Oh. Anyway. So yeah, as you can see on this, the guy from Maple Leaf has a bracket that has two of these. I only have one. That's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this here. Oh, bits of sweet potato on my fucking printer for years. Yeah, I got a Voron kit. Yeah, you want my favorite mod about it? Yeah, what's your favorite mod? Oh, this thing is like... This is the... Sorry, I thought I lost a screw. That would have sucked. I'm like, oh, this is the mod. You have to have this mod. Oh, what is it? Eat sweet potatoes when you're modifying when you're actually working on it. What? Yeah, just eat sweet potatoes. The grease of the sweet potatoes. It'll get into the machine, and it'll give it life. It'll give it energy and sustenance and everything it needs to survive. I don't fucking know. What do you get when you have one man talking to avoid a vacuum? You get me. That's good. Okay. What orientation do I put this in? Oh no, it's a spontaneous white. What's up, man? Oh shit, I missed it. Okay, so holding it like that. looks like. Yeah, yep, okay. So the pie goes on like this, with the port's facing that way. So we flip that over. Line her up. How you doing, man? Yeah, I figured, hey, might as well share what I'm doing. This is like one of the few things where I can actually be like, hey, look at the shit I do. Because a lot of times I'm not really able to share in detail what I'm doing, because it's usually work related. But yeah, I figured, you know, I have so many friends and so many Discords and whatnot, and like I want to show all my friends what I'm doing because that's fun. But I can't. I don't want to pick and choose Discord servers. So I decided I would just say fuck it, and I would just start streaming. And that's what I've been doing. Just decided, fuck it, I'll start streaming my live build, and then people can just watch when they want. You know. It's nice, it's fun. I am still so hungry. I had one of those work days where I was just so engrossed in whatever I was doing that I just forgot to eat entirely. I didn't eat. I had a tiny breakfast, and I had no lunch, so I was just left there starving. Not actually starving, no, I just was very hungry. There we go. Looking good. That's a good little raspberry pie. Cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. Okay, what's next, buddy? Yeah, fasting can be good, but that's not my goal here. Alright, so he went and put on a bunch of heat sinks onto the pie, which I probably should do as well. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get heat sinks. Ah, here we go. Wait, there's fiberglass tape here. I don't know if I needed fiber. Wait, there's only one heatsink. What the fuck? Hold up, hold up. Hold up. Let's see. Keyboard brands. I don't really have a preference. 1 second. Okay, so I don't really have the heatsink for this, but that's okay. I can order them for like $5 online. So I don't really have a good recommendation. My recommendation is go to like a Best Buy or a what's it called? Go to an electronics store where you can actually like try out the keyboards and try them out. Try the keys you like. There are stores where online where you can buy. Yes, Micro Center. That's what I was thinking. There are stores you can go and you can buy their keys for testing. I know Razer does that. And just get a feel for them. You have to find your preference. For me, my preference is Razer Huntsman, the linear optical keys. I love them. That is my preferred key switch because it's a very fast actuation and it's analog. Technically, I can make every key on my keyboard a macro, where when I press the key down fully, it is a different key press than when I only slightly press it down. So, for example, if I wanted in a video game to have my sprint button just be my walk forward key, I could do a very gentle press of the key to be walk, and then full press run. Pretty interesting. Yeah, but it's linear. It's not like a standard key switch, so like it's not like red, blue. It is linear red. Hi, Mom. Welcome to the live stream. Oh. You're not in camera yet. There you go.
And so then you take this piece and then you put it on this piece and then you screw it together and then you make shit. Remarkable.
Pretty much.
What? Yeah, it's backwards.
Yeah, it's mirrored. Or no, it's not mirrored.
I needed to bring my olive tree in.
Oh?
I can't lift this.
Sorry. Hopefully stop and help when he gets home. Oh, right. Alright. It's my mother. Let's see, what's the next step? Oh, okay. Now we're getting to the big boys. Ugh. Alright, so this is probably the one part of the printer that I am terrified of, as everyone should be. And I mean everyone. This is the one part that could kill you if you do it wrong. It's the power supply. Now, as you can see in the larger camera, it is fairly exposed. Yeah, you don't want to mess with this. And I think the most terrifying part of this entire assembly is that where are they? Let's see. Yeah, so if you notice, there isn't a place for you to put the cable, and that is because you have to terminate it yourself. So you're just gonna have exposed AC in here. So you gotta, whenever you're working on the printer, don't stick your hand underneath. Just don't. Don't do that. So what I find funny is that, no, actually, no, that's not what it is. Yeah, so this gets spooky. Swap that to 120 volt. Before we do anything, we're working on this thing. Isn't that fun? Oh, did they? Nope. Nope. The terrifying part of that power supply is I think it only has halfway bridge rectifier. I'm gonna be honest. I know what a bridge rectifier does, but I keep forgetting what it does. Alexa, what's a bridge rectifier? You didn't hear her, but she went on a tangent about firefighting. So, Alexa, you're stupid. Moving on. So... so many burned up units coming. I mean, so this is a reliable brand. LDO obviously knows who they're working with. And this is reliable. This is reliable. I trust them. It's just, you know, I don't actually get to work directly with this part, so having this in my hands is a little scary. So yeah, but luckily I get to mount these fancy things to it. So I need M4x6 beefy. How do I... Okay, so it looks like the clips are going to be... I want to rotate it this way. Clips to face me. Okay. So M4x6, I need 4. I have returned. And thank you, Lane. Yes, I was thinking that it was that, converting AC to DC, but I, for whatever reason, just couldn't fully remember. And, you know, this is the internet. I don't want to be wrong on the internet. This live stream's getting saved, boys. Permanent record right there. Just like it's a permanent record that I've had another Sweet Tail. Oh, and I have no regrets. Except for maybe the calorie intake. But you know what? We don't talk about that. We just enjoy it. Let's see. Okay. So it looks like I'm lining it up with that hole there. Okay. This is a shame, Lane. You only just missed my mother. Oh, did I lose that screw? Oh, I totally did. Look at that. Best way to stay safe is do not connect to the mains. I mean, look, you're telling me I'm not supposed to plug a power cable in and lick the end? What's the point of it? Ugh! Yeah, no, what I will be doing is I'm going to be plugging this into a power strip, and, I love my mom. She's great. Yeah, so I'm going to be plugging this into a power strip, and I'm going to, obviously, wire the whole thing up, plug it into a power strip. The power strip's going to be off, and then I'm going to turn it on remotely so that if anything does happen, I'm not in front of it. The good news is I have 3 of these if I have to, you know, replace this a few more times. So, but I only have 1 of me. So, you know, if this expires, then I'm fucked. There we go. That's mildly terrifying. I forgot I have to deal with fucking high voltage electronics. I'm gonna need another soda. Does the power strip have an isolated transformer? Likely not. It is just an old power strip with a switch on it. It's not... I think it might be a surge protector, but I'm assuming it's just a power strip, so I'm not going to assume that it has any protection against surging. I do have this wonderful bastard coming from the ceiling. Yeah. That is a good question. It is. Okay, it's not that bad. Maximum of 8.8 amps at 24 volts. So it's not that bad. Yeah. Okay. This is fun though. I'm having fun. That's the important part. Yeah. Wait. Controller board. Controller board. Is that this? It must be. It's oh god. Oh god. It's the octopus. I'm too extra sometimes. Ooh, damn. Look at that. My favorite part about building this whole machine is not only is it a DIY thing where you put it together yourself, but it's also just, here's a ton of boxes with really cool tech and parts, and enjoy the unboxing experience of every little part that you're going to need to do. So like, here is the Big Tree Tech octopus. So, it's just, ooh, nice. Slide. Don't need it. Where's my knife? No, seriously, where's my knife? Oh, there it is. Found my knife. It's just a fucking razor. I had to scrape off a bunch of solder gunk from one of my scrapers, so I just used that razor to do it. Who needs trash cans? Not me. That's for certain. Because I'm trash. See you, White. Good to see you again. Okay. This is fancy. Holy shit. Well, I'm glad Big Tree Tech includes a cover for all the terminals. That makes me feel safer. Wow. Okay. Wow. Why is there a... Is that RJ11? It is! Is that the serial connector? Like, they just use a RJ11 to do serial? No, wait a minute. That has That has 6 pin. What? Is that RJ? No, it's not big enough for RJ45. That's weird. Yeah, that has 6 pins. 1 ground, 5 data, and is in an RJ11 style connector. That's a little funky. It is absolutely going to be a serial port of some sort, but still, that has my interest. Let's see what else we have on here. Got these wonderful terminal blocks, just fucking fancy. I want to get the motor controllers, but I will wait until I am instructed to install those. So let's see here. So, controller board. Oh, it's requiring more clips. I think I'm out of clips. Oh, sorry. Okay, so small problem. Just a small one. Huh. Huh. Yeah, that's problematic. So it's asking me for more clips, but I only have a very small handful left. I mean, I guess no. Okay, hold on. These are made for those. Okay. This is spider. There we go. Octopus. That's what we want. And what does this say? SKR Pro. Okay, so not the spider and not the SKR Pro. Just Octo. Smaller connector. Screws. Seriously? Seriously? Come on. Come on, come on. I don't want to fucking burst this open. My fingers are too greasy to actually open this. There we go. Import these. Oh, they're not magnetic. No, really? One too many. Doop. Admittedly, after get hello voice, can you please return to my throat? Thank you. After experiencing threaded inserts, I don't want to go back. I kind of want more of them in my life. Almost dropped that. Woo! That would have been bad. I kind of want more threaded inserts in my life. So I'm a little sad that I don't get to put it onto this part here. But, you know, they have a place. There we go. Okay. One's done. There we go. Now we're gonna need M3 by 6. Grab those. Okay. The drop. There we go. It's cold. It is cold. I'm hungry. I need a refill on soda, so I'll be right back. There we go. Refill. Fired. So you get 4 M3 by 6. I need a fork. That's what I need. I'm gonna go grab a fork, so I will be back again. I've returned with a tiny fork. I don't give a fork. And now I can actually eat without getting my hands dirty. Look at that. Genius. And yet, that's still gonna fall. Yep. A mess still occurs, but not in my hands. Okay. Tiny fork acquired. So these are facing inward. Okay. Does it matter? No, I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. So well, that's too big. Not big enough. That's too small. What? How the fuck? Oh, there we go. I didn't realize I had all three sides of this already out. I think I'm gonna mute my mic for a little bit as I want to listen to some music. So I'm gonna mute my mic. I'm gonna turn off my face cam here, and I'll turn it back on when people start talking. So that's all I'll do. Hello, hello. I decided to mute myself for a little bit so I can listen to some music. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Hey, look at that! I can actually listen to music, talk at the same time, because the camera is not actually picking up the music this time. So that works out. That works out. I think we want this. I don't want it anymore. Let's see here. So we're looking at this like this, and I'll put it like that. Yeah, looks like it, right? Yeah. Try it the other way. There we go. All right. So now we just slide that through. Oh, gotta actually get it in there first. Wait, do I have to put a fuse in this? Hold up. I got fuses. Do I need fuses? I feel like I need fuses. Fuses? Maybe not? No? This is the fuse box. I don't know. I'm dealing with high voltage electricity here, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, there's a fuse goes in there. Okay, is there a fuse in there? Did they pre-install a fuse? I love how it says you only have 250 volt fuse, even though I feel like I should be using a 120 volt fuse. Okay, I need to pop that open to make sure that there's a fuse in there. So it would really suck to assemble this entire thing. Okay, there is a fuse in here. Yay. I'm safe. Yeah, it would really suck to assemble this entire thing and then there not be a fuse in here. So this is telling me, oh, I need to do heat inserts. Okay, so actually back up a few minutes here. I need to do only 3. Okay. That guide says more, but this says only 3. Let's go ahead and replace this. Ooh, that's gnarly. I need to clean that. Oh. It is kind of terrifying just how hot this part can actually get. I did have an instance where I accidentally nearly touched this, and my finger looks scarred from it. That wasn't fun. So I love how there's knurling on here as if you're kind of meant to You don't grab this. You never grab this. I don't know why there's knurling on that piece. Wait, did they? Oh my god. It is literally just 2 threaded inserts to control how far you want to. I'm not sure if I love that or if I hate it. I don't know. It is literally just 2 threaded inserts so that you can control the depth of this. I don't know. That's kind of genius, but also like I really don't need that. I'm not gonna use this one then. As ingenious as that is, it is not the one I've been using last time. So I'm going to just lock them into place and use the other one. Turn that on. Let it heat up as I grab the pieces I need. I guess I'm not doing threaded inserts on that part? No, okay. Screws go in there. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to get in. I see, that's for a rail. So that's for later. Yep, that's hot enough. I don't like how it feels loose. Probably wasn't a great idea to test that with solder. Oh yeah, that was a terrible idea. Why did I do that? It just made things worse. Yep. Yeah, it did. Why is it? It's smoking. You're supposed to be cleaning shit off, not getting shit on it. Oh, well, now it looks like all my other tools not shiny. Oh well, that day was meant to come at some point. Just didn't expect it to be so soon.
What happens when life breaks down? God himself puts his arms around you.
Right, this needs to be at 300. 400 is a little too high. makes you wonder if you could just light paper on fire with this. Just leave it there. Watch it burn. Don't do that. Don't be a power maniac. And that mad lad put this in before he put in the I just burned my hand. That mad lad put the this assembly in before the heat inserts. Fucking madman. Oh, the fuck? Dude, how did you get that in there? Like, seriously. This doesn't want to fit for me. Do I need to sand shit down? I shouldn't have to, right? I should just be able to fit it in. Do I have it? No, I don't have it backwards. Oh, I see. There's a very small seam making this a little bit more difficult than it really should be. Fine. Come on. There. There. It went in. About damn time. Oh, that's not coming undone. That's it. That's it. I'm done. Got a fidget toy. Tired of this. I'm running out of space here. Okay, so this. Huh, okay. Has a different piece. It's a different piece. Fine. Look for a metal bracket in your pile of parts. There's no printed mount. Oh. Found it. This. Ooh, that's hefty. That has a spring to it. So it just goes on like that. Yeah, I guess this doesn't give a shit which way it goes on, huh? Guess not. What's it called for? M4x6? What's out of the bag somewhere? Where did they go? M3x6. Where's my M4x6? There. Need two of these. Too small? There we go. There we go. Look at that. Nicely done. Okay. What's the next step, my friend? Okay. Ooh, what's this? This looks complicated. Okay. Okay. Let's find the part first. So this is for the Z and stuff. Okay. So let's find the part. Okay, I got the part. Notice I got the printed part. Put that there. I also need the Z end stop board, the M2x10 self taps. Where did I put those? I had them right there. Okay. And the 5mm shaft, as well as the GT20 tooth pulley. Where did I put that tooth pulley? I think I put it somewhere else because I was done with the motion kit. That's problematic. Install PCB. Huh. might have a problem here. Okay, I can't seem to find the pulley it's looking for. Okay. So I'm gonna have to hunt for this piece before I can continue. So I'm actually gonna pause the stream while I look for that. So I might be back later, guys. Hopefully I can find this tonight. See you.